Hi everybody, I'm back with the same video. I had to redo it. I'm going to be shooting down, these, like, toy bugs and everything for my video. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video and subscribe and so on. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm going to be getting these darts, and I'm going to shoot these bug things, toy bugs, on the wall, and see if I could get them to fall down. So here we go, guys. Almost got them down. Almost. So I had to tape them because they weren't really sticking on the walls, so I had to tape them. Oh, shit. This isn't working. What the heck? Okay, what the hell? Why isn't this thing working? Like, really good. I don't know, for some reason... Oh, there it goes. Alright, guys, hold on. It's gonna probably take me a while to get these off. I mean, to get these working. This thing is a pain in the ass. Okay, I didn't get it yet. For some reason, only certain spots could, like, shoot it. Don't understand why this gun doesn't work really well. Like, it's like, what the hell? Oh, this is not working good at all. I'm not even gonna lie. Almost got him off, guys. Almost. Oh, man. Almost. Oh, shit. I almost got that thing off. Okay. Guys, I'm like almost on fire getting this thing off of here. Like, I swear I'm gonna get him soon. Just hanging on a thing. Well, guys, if you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you, peace, and deuces.